Hey everybody, Mark Bosley here. Thanks again for tuning into my YouTube video, guys. It's a little bit late in the evening, about 8:45, but I wanted to get this information out to you. I got a few people calling me today and asking me about marketing on Facebook, about posting on Facebook. So that's what I want to talk about with you for a few minutes tonight. Okay, first thing, can I get a roll tide? Huh? Can I get a roll tide? Okay, it's almost Alabama football season, guys. I'm jacked up. I'm ready. I don't know about you if you got a college football team from the state you're in, but the Crimson Tide is coming for y'all, baby. We're going to be back in the championship game. Y'all get ready, okay? Guys, let me jump right into the video right here. Oh, hey, I love college football. I don't care who plays. It's always a great football game, okay? Let's jump right in here, guys. Man called me today. Several people call me every day and say, Mark, when you're promoting on Facebook, what are some of the things you do? What are some of the success stories that you have, and some of the strategies that work for you? Guys, with me, it's YouTube marketing, and also I connect with directly with people in Facebook groups. I'm not the kind of guy that posts an ad in Facebook groups, okay? Yes, you can do that, but the problem that occurs there, guys, and listen to me closely right here, okay? You can join millions of groups, thousands and tens of thousands of groups, on Facebook. Yes, you can. There's 3 billion people on there. There's all sorts of people to connect with, guys. But if you're joining those marketing groups, multi-level, make money from home, network marketing, okay, the problem that occurs right there, okay, is when you put your ad in there and maybe some cool little photo down there, the problem that occurs in those groups is people want you to see their business. They're not looking to see your business. Okay? Well, let's face it, guys. I've got 5,000 friends right here on my page, 5,000 people, and I could ask all 5,000 of them, how's business? And they would say, I'm crushing it. I'm knocking it out of the park. We all know that's bullshit. Okay, the statistics say there's probably 6 or 8 people of those 5,000 right there that are knocking it out of the park. And when I say that, I mean they're making a livable income depending on the geographic location they're in, depending on the state that they're in. Okay. Anyways, back to my point at hand, guys. This is a little place on your Facebook, a little feature that Facebook has that can really help you with this. Okay, it's really help you. Let me make the connection here right quick, guys. If you're going to connect with people directly on Facebook, or if you're going to post in groups on Facebook, be aware of this. Okay, when you make a post, obviously your name pops up, your post pops up, or if you like or if you comment, people can go to that like or comment and it shows everybody. So what they do is they go to your page. They go directly to your Facebook page and they start looking around. They're not snooping. They're looking to see, well, is this person connected in the industry? Is he providing value or content? Is he or she got their page set up? Do they look like a marketer? Do they look like somebody that I want to work with? Okay, so these are some questions that you need to ask yourself about your page. When you look at that page, what does it tell you? If you were a stranger coming to your page, what would you say about your page? Would you say you needed a new cover photo or a new profile picture, or you need to set your intro section up a little bit better? You know, can you relate to what I'm saying to? You've got to ask yourself those questions as an outsider coming in and looking, okay? So here's my cover. I like to fish. Everybody knows I like to fish, and that's me right there. It's a clear picture of me sitting in the computer, so I got something to do with a computer, okay? So I'm gonna come down here a little bit, guys, and you can see my intro is set up, just fine. It's got my fan page. I used to be a fire technician. I used to be in the Navy. I live here. I'm from here, and I got followers, okay? I'm a single guy, okay? People can tell a lot about you from that intro section right there. That tells them whether they want to go a little bit farther into your page and maybe look down your page and see if you actually have any value or any content to put in that space right there, something that they can learn from you. Okay, you want to look like an authority in the business. You want to posture yourself as a professional, not just some, hey, I ate macaroni and cheese last night, or hey, I don't like Donald Trump, or I don't like Hillary Clinton, or something like that that doesn't really matter. It's not relative to network marketing. Don't put those things on your page, okay? And here's one of the features that I was talking about to you just a moment ago that I use over and over and over, okay? You have it on your page. Everybody has it on their page. And I encourage you to go to mine. Okay, it's this section right here. Let me show you. Okay, when you take your mouse and you run it across your timeline right here, you see nothing happens. When you get to the more button, the drop down box opens up and you can see videos about me, check-ins, music, movies, sports. You can see all sorts of different things about me, groups I'm in, my fitness. There's one called Notes right here. You see that one right there called Notes? Let's click on that very quickly. Okay, see what happens when I clicked on that. Okay, I've got 50 notes right here, 6 drafts and notes about myself. Okay, once you click on that more button right there and that drop down box open up and it takes you right here like it will on everybody's page. Keep that in mind, everybody's, not just mine. Okay, that's if you're creating notes on your page. I can create another source of training for you guys without creating a group. This is like a group all by itself right on my main page, even though I have another group for all of you guys that have joined me in my Let's Multiply business. Okay, I'm trying to give you every resource that I have so that you can have success in this business. And so many of you, I don't know what you're doing. Okay, I am the person that sponsored you. So I can look in my downline, I can see how many people have signed up under you and different things like that. I can go to your Facebook page and see what you're posting, what you're saying on your page. And I'm going to know if you're going to have success or not if you're posting those things about macaroni and cheese and some ridiculous statement about politics or even religion. I love Jesus just like you do, but it's not pertinent to network marketing right here, okay? Anyways, in this notes section right here, guys, you'll see I have lots and lots of advice and notes to give to people, okay? Number one barrier to living a good life. Everybody gets stuck on this one. It's a negative mindset, guys, okay? 10 ways to boost your Facebook engagement. Again, when I started this video, I was telling you about people that call me and say, Mark, do you use Facebook? How do you use Facebook? How can I benefit from using Facebook? Guys, there's all sorts of different ways, okay? And I've got 10 ways right there that you can see that. It's public information, okay? I share these kinds of things practically every other day with you, okay? And I want you to have success with your business, with your Let's Multiply business. And if you're going to do free marketing, free advertising, and you want some help on Facebook, these 10 ways will help you right here. I have lots more, guys. Keep on scrolling down, okay? You keep scrolling down the page right here, guys, and you got building self-confidence. What still works in marketing in 2017. These are all great notes. They're not just my opinion. I've researched a lot of these things right here. I've gone to Google, I've gone to Yahoo, and I've got this information and I've packaged it and put it right here for people, and I don't charge anything for it. Okay, this is what I use as leverage when I want people to join me in my Let's Multiply business, is these little trainings right here. Okay, these little short trainings. You keep coming down, guys. 5 reasons to start a Craigslist business for extra income. YouTube. Have you ever wondered why I create my little cheesy videos like this cheesy video right here? This will probably get ranked. It'll probably get a lot of organic traffic and it'll probably get a lot of signups out of it, just because I'm making it, just because I'm giving information. People are seeking information these days. They're wanting to know how to do stuff. Okay, when you make your videos, that's where the search engine optimization comes in. It depends on how you title your video. How do I do this? Where do I do that? How do I find this? When you're asking questions as a person coming to Google, that's how your videos are going to get ranked. Okay, that's a little quick training on Google and on getting your YouTube videos ranked. So now you got 2 free trainings. You keep coming down, guys. 8 reasons to have autoresponder traffic from offline marketing. Guys, I provide 40 different places in the training group for you to leave flyers, business cards, all sorts of different things, guys. You keep on coming down right here. Again, remember I had 50 trainings. Okay, there's going to be obstacles. There's going to be doubters. There's going to be mistakes. 5 toxic personalities, stressful people, successful people avoid. They just avoid these people and they avoid these situations, okay? Getting from where you are to where you want to be. All these little notes I've put in there, guys, to turn that light bulb on. This is actually my front street right here. You can see the sun coming up right there. Isn't that cool? That was back last May. That's over a year ago. Check that out, guys. So I've got some really old notes right here, guys, and I just wanted to share them with you, okay? So if you join me in my Let's Multiply business, okay, and you're struggling and you want to use Facebook, all these trainings in here can help you. They really can. But you really have to apply them, guys. You can't just be hoping that if you post an ad in a Facebook group that somebody's going to respond to it. Okay, hope's not a strategy. You have to have something in place, something that you're going to do that's going to create enough curiosity that people are going to go, hey, I want to join that person. I'd like to know more about what that person does. Okay, that's what you're trying to do right there, guys, is you're creating curiosity. You're wanting to give people a reason to come to your Facebook page. And I do that by posting those little notes on my timeline. As I showed you, you go to the More button and the drop down box opens up right there, and you can go boom right to my notes. Okay? But guys, if you have just joined the Let's Multiply business a week or two or even 3 ago, and you're struggling trying to get traffic to your site, you can feel free to use my notes, copy and paste them in a document and use them as your notes. Just put your name at the bottom of them, okay? I don't mind that. I'm not going to get mad. Or if you want to put it over there and give credit to me, that's fine, okay? And I'm going to tell you something else. If you're watching this video right now and you're on my team, or you're getting ready to join Let's Multiply and you're trying to make up your mind as to who you're going to join, I've decided to start doing 3-way calls with people if you're serious about it. It's not something I want to try out. You really want to have success. You really want to start making some money, guys. School just started. That means fall is coming. That means Christmas and Thanksgiving are right around the corner. You know that. You know it's going to be no time at all before you get the long sleeves on and you're going to be back with the heater on. You know that's right around the corner. You know you've procrastinated with this business or doing something for a long, long time. Okay? You've connected with a guy who really is wanting to help you. I don't make these videos for my health. I make them to help you. Okay? I love helping people. I love seeing people post, Mark, help me. Mark, help me make 50 bucks, 100 bucks, 1,000 bucks, whatever. I love that kind of crap. I love it. I eat it up. I enjoy it. You know, we've got a converting offer right here, guys. I have a marketing system and a traffic source if you want that. But if you want to do it the Facebook way, let me know. If you've got some prospects on the hook, if you get them on the phone with me, I will get them to sign with you. Okay? We will share your link with them, not mine, and we'll get them on your team. Okay? But you've got to do the work, guys. Look at my notes. Set your Facebook page up correctly if that's the way you want to do it. If you want to use Facebook and groups and stuff like that, that's fine. That's no problem at all. My notes will explain to you in detail how to do that. Okay? So if you're looking to join somebody in the Let's Multiply business whose strategies are working, I've got over 100 people already signed up with me, paid members. Okay, level 1, level 2, we're working on level 3 right now. Got that big money coming, guys. Got it coming. I'm going to save up enough to buy me a brand spanking new truck. I don't need no foreign Maserati or something like that. I just want a new truck. That's all I want. And I'm going to be able to do that by Christmas. That's August, September, October, November. That's 4 months away, guys. You know what a vehicle costs? It's about $25,000, $30,000. Okay, that's a lot of money. You guys can just sock the money away for Christmas for your family or a little vacation or whatever. Okay, but if you wanted to help me to help you, you want me to help you do some 3-ways, you want me to talk to some people, you get them on the phone with me and I'll get them on your team because they're going to be on my team too. Okay? So guys, I hope this was useful to you. I hope this was valuable to you. And if it was, if you look in the description box below, I always say this at the end of the video, hit the big red subscribe button, join my team, subscribe to my YouTube channel, use my notes. Let's get you going. Let's get you successful. Let's get you moving. You guys that are already on my team, get up off your tail. Let's get to work. Let's get those sign-ups. Let's get that money coming in. Guys, don't just do that here and there. Do it every single day. Take action. Let's make that money, guys. Description box below. Click the link. 3-way calls, guys. I'm your guy. Appreciate you for watching the video. I'll see you on the next one. See you guys. Bye.